Inner journey. Inner journey is a continuous path of evolution of your inner flowering. It is highly impossible to make it something happen mechanically. If anything has a life, if anything has a nature in it, it has its own accordance for its process. So do our inner well-being as well. That is why this program is called Inner Journey. It's a continuous program to deprogram or detox or unlearn the mind we are holding, at the same time parallelly create a mind with all natural stuff, all natural thing, which I call as an organic mind. With this organic mind, let us practice to disengage the continuous engagement of mind, which is going uncontrolled way in dealing with the stress, in dealing with the worries, in dealing with all the pressure of life. So the only tool which is available for human to take care of things is your mind. The mind is a composition of your thoughts. When you create a mind parallel to your other minds and use this stick or use this mind to manage other minds or disengages continuous grinding is what I mean inner journey. Once you learn the art of managing, after creating your own tool, this is almost like if you are going to cut a kitchen cabinets, first you have to create a nice tool, a cutter. Once you create that, then cutting cabinets becomes easier. But creating that takes a long time. So we will create that first. Then you, using this tool, you continuously disengage the rat race of other minds and strengthen this mind in such a way it will be handy for you to survive on this social jungle. If you are living in a jungle, you may require a tool to manage the threat what you may have in the jungle. But now you are living in a social jungle. Here the only tool is your mind. And how are you going to create such a mind? Not only to handle social life. In order to handle social life, you have several minds people created already inside you. But you need a tool, you need a mind to manage your body, your well-being, your peace, and so on and so forth. So this is the class where you build your own mind by receiving and practicing certain techniques, receiving bliss doses on a daily basis, so that it strengthens your idea, your inner well-being. A continuous beat of bliss doses will empower your inner divinity. This beat will synchronize the synchronicity of harmonious divinity inside you, will completely create a different environment, different ambience for you to survive on the planet Earth. So this is the gist of this program. What I am going to do, I said minimum 10 weeks because